Hey everybody, welcome back to DeeSixHomestead. Tonight I want to show you a quick video of how to do rag curlers like your grandma would have used. Okay, so there's only one thing that you need in order to use this method to curl your hair, and that is a piece of flannel. However thick you make the flannel from one side to the other is how big around the barrel of the curl will be. And you want the length of your flannel to be about double the length of your hair. Okay, first off, you're going to brush the hair out really well and make sure it has no knots or tangles. Then you are going to divide the hair in half with top half and lower half, because your lower half of your head, so from your ears down, is going to be shorter hair than the crown of your head at the top. Can you hold this? There we go. So you start by taking your flannel and you place it next to the hair, and you make sure that the hair is nicely brushed out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap your hair around the flannel the way that you want the curl to go. So you can have your curl go to the front or to the back, just like a curling iron. And you want to continue wrapping the hair until you get all the way to the bottom. And then you want to take your flannel and you want to wrap it around the end of the hair. And you want to continue wrapping the same direction that you wrapped the hair, but going back up the strand, so that the whole hair is now enclosed in flannel cloth. And when you get to the top, you just take the two loose ends and you tie them together. And it makes this nice tight little sausage that will dry the hair and leave a beautiful ringlet curl. This is the most easiest if you get your child to help you by holding the end of the flannel. And then you're just going to wrap the same way you did on the previous curl, all the way to the end. And then you want to wrap your flannel the same direction that you were going with the hair, except for you want to wrap in an upward fashion. So if you get little wispy flyaways like this, if your child has layered hair or you have layered hair or whatever, you can just tuck those in carefully and then you just roll it back up to the top. And you just tie the two loose ends. So the most important thing with this method is making sure that your flannel is double the length of your hair. Otherwise you'll run out of ends and you won't have enough room to tie at the end. If that is the case, if you have some of those little clear, like dollar store elastics, I just usually wrap the little elastic around the two ends like this, and then you don't have to tie them, especially if they're really, really short, and that works well too. There we have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on DeeSixHomestead.